Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of the Renaissance Academy of Geosciences Nagpur. I am Pranav. We are specialized in coaching for IIT JAM and GATE in geology. Since 2016, we have conducted 6 batches, and even in the period of lockdown and COVID, we have successfully conducted the online batch as well. Now, we are starting new batches for geology. The details are we're having 4 batches. Okay, so all these 4 batches are aimed for the 2022 examinations. So we are starting our preparation from March of 15th of March 2021, and it will go for for 8 or 10 months. And for the forthcoming examinations in 2022, all these courses will be available with us for the for geology. Okay, so very first course what we are offering in our academy is the advanced course in geology. Okay, so this advanced course in geology, it includes the syllabus of all the entrance examinations of geology in 2022. So whatever examinations you are planning for, that if you are preparing for IIT JAM, if you are in BSc final year, or if you are a postgraduate student preparing for UPSC geologist exam, or if you are preparing for GATE examination, or if you are planning for any other examination like departmental examination of say Coal India Limited or Neyveli Lignite Corporation Limited, or any exam like that, this course is for you. Now, what this course will include? This course will include right from basic, okay, right from basic to highly advanced aspects of geology. So if say suppose you are preparing for petrology, if we are teaching you petrology, so we will be starting from what is rock, and we will end up with having every aspect, covering each and every aspect of the petrology as well. So this course, okay, so this course, which is advanced course in geology, is a one-stop solution for each and every examination which is covering which is having geology as a subject. So who shall prefer this course? This course shall be preferred for postgraduate students and final year BSc students. The postgraduate students who are being prepared or who are preparing for these examinations like UPSC geologist exam, or they are preparing for GATE examination, they shall go for this course, the advanced course in geology. Or if you are a final year BSc student who is preparing for say IIT JAM or any other examination like IIT JAM, like if you're preparing for BHU entrance exam or Pondicherry University entrance exam, like those examinations, so this course is for you. Next, we have another course which is exclusively for GATE 2022, exclusively GATE 2022. So in this course, we will be covering the aspects of geology while focusing on GATE examination. Okay, so main focus for this classroom course, okay, this classroom course will be GATE examination. So this course will run offline. Okay, this course will run offline. So we will be having a proper classroom program for this course. Okay, as with this GATE course, with this GATE classroom program, we have an add-on program as well. So this add-on program is having the additional course of aptitude. As you know that aptitude covers 15 marks in GATE examination. That includes 15% of the paper of the GATE. So that is a huge number. Okay, that's a huge number. So this aspect must be addressed separately. Okay, so this problem which geology students generally lack, geology students know geology very well, but they lack in aptitude this aptitude portion. So this aptitude portion will be addressing this issue in thorough details. So we will be having this as the add-on course in the GATE 2022 batch. Again, we have this part as well, the general studies. Nowadays general studies has become an integral part of the examinations, like NLC exam, like the UPSC geologist exam. We have a separate paper of general studies, so we will be covering the general studies with this course in the exam, in the classroom course, in the classroom batch. So this is the add-on course with GATE preparation along with geology. We will be making you prepare, or will be preparing you for aptitude as well as general studies, so that you can be prepared, or you will be prepared for the examinations which are coming in the year 2022. Next, we have third course, which is aimed for IIT JAM. Okay, so if you are a student of BSc, if you are a student of BSc who is planning to go in IITs for your further studies, then this course is for you. Majority of the people lack guidance for this IIT JAM portion or IIT JAM examinations. We are providing you the IIT JAM dedicated classes in the classroom program. Okay, we'll be having complete syllabus. We'll be covering entire syllabus in due course of time. We'll be having periodic assessment tests. We'll be having a test series, so that whatever the JAM examination is, you will be prepared in these coming months for this examination completely, so that it will be easier for you to enter into IITs, to step in into IITs even after having BSc. Okay. Now, we have a fourth course or fourth offering from us, that is a foundation course in geology for IIT JAM. Majority of the students, they do not know about geology, they do not aware of geology, and they are not having they are not aware that what opportunities they can grab after their BSc. So if you are starting your preparation right from your first year, then it will be easier for you to grab the opportunities to go into IITs, to go in the premier institutes for your further studies. So right from your first year, we will be having the students from the BSc first year to step in our classes, to join the classes for the foundation course. This course will run for 1 year. Okay, this foundation course will be for 1 year, and after that we'll be covering the IIT JAM aspect. Again, with this foundation course, we will be having, or this foundation course will include the semester examinations as well. So you need not to go for additional coaching for the semester examinations in for geology, so that both the purposes are your both the purposes are here being solved. These semester exams as well as the IIT JAM. So IIT JAM, the very basics of IIT JAM as well as your semester exams, in order to make you aware of the examinations and the opportunities. Now, what are the features of the classes what we are offering you? So we have 3 well experienced and qualified faculties. The faculties which are teaching us or teaching in the class, they are from IIT, UPSC rank 1 2017 to be precise, GATE, SET, as well as MPSC qualified. So the teachers who are teaching in the academy, they are well qualified and well experienced faculties. We are, as I have told you, that we are teaching since 2016. So we have the experience of teaching. We have a vast experience of teaching, and we are qualified as well. So it is an additional it is like the icing on the cake. Now, for the advanced course in geology, the examination pattern, whatever the test patterns we will be having, we have actually the periodic assessment, periodic tests. Those tests will be objective plus essay type regular test patterns. Okay, so we will be having objective tests as well as we will be having essay type test in order to make you prepare for all the tests, for all the examination patterns. See, several examinations are only objective types, several examinations are only essay types. UPSC examination is preliminary examination which is having objective test, and the mains examination that is having essay type regular test pattern. So you need to be prepared for both these two types of tests. You must be comfortable with all these two. You must be comfortable with objectives as well as you must be the best answer writers. So here at Renaissance, we will be making you prepared, or we will be preparing you for objective as well as essay type questions so that you will be prepared for all the types of tests. This is for advanced course in geology. As you know that NAT, that is numerical type, is nowadays favorite among the paper setters. So in GATE and JAM, we have dedicated 20 questions which are from the numerical section. In GATE, we cannot predict how much weightage they will put on the numerical section, but yes, there will be some of the questions from numerical types. So say of some 30% or 25% 25% marks will be from the numerical types. Okay, in Renaissance, we practice, or we give you special practice sessions for NAT. This is the key feature what we are offering you. So for numerical activity, for numerical answer type questions, you will be having numerous sessions, you will be having numerous problems, variety of problems, and each and every type of problem will be covered and will be taught to you, and it will be given you for the practice as well, so that you will be comfortable with numericals also. Okay, we have affordable fee structure with very easy installment facilities, so it is not any issue for as like payments or all. If you are outstation candidate and if you want to join our classroom program, then we have hostel facility as well for boys as well as for girls. Okay, so if you are planning to join us in the classroom program for GATE or for JAM, you can come to Nagpur. We will arrange you the accommodation for in the hostels. Okay, we have tie-ups with the hostels so that the problem of your accommodation will be solved. Again, with this, we have the facility of free demo classes. We have the facility of these free demo classes. So for this advanced course in geology, we will be having some demo classes, as well as for the classroom programs, we also have some demo classes. So these demo classes will be available for us and as on demand. Okay. So if you want to contact us, here are the contact details. This is my contact details. These are Amit sir's contact details. All the contact details are given in the description, so you can take from that also. If you want to visit us personally, if you want to personally meet us, you are welcome to office. You're welcome to our office. The office is in Nandanvan. Okay, the office is in Nandanvan. It is located above Balvihar Kindergarten, which is very near to the Nandanvan police station. The classroom where Renaissance Academy actually runs, that is Maharashtra Adhyapak Vidyalaya, besides Pandit Bacharaj Vyas Vidyalaya, Medical Square, Nagpur, which is very much connected, very well connected, and very well accessible from all the parts of Nagpur. So if you are living anywhere in Nagpur, you can reach us. You can come. You can come and meet us, and we can have the discussion. Well, friends, that was all about these new batches which are being started from 15th of the March. Okay, we are planning to start the batches from 15th of March. So it will be easier for us to get prepared for all these things. We will have a larger amount of time right from March to coming January. Okay, so this will be using this time or this time slot very wisely, and we'll go for it. We'll prepare along with we'll prepare together and let us shine. So this is all for today. All the best. Thank you very much.